I would certainly love to give them a huge thank you for supporting us and helping us over the years. We couldn't have done it without really good support, great support from the community, the business community, but also just everyone who lives here and has done business with us. Many of them by choice. Many of them will come and say, I want to support local business, I want to support you. And it really makes a difference. And we owe a huge debt of gratitude to them.
Hi, my name is Matt Jobson, and I'm going to be the new owner of Xenia Shoe and Leather as of January 2021. Our hope is to carry on Tim's tradition of taking care of people, providing good service and quality products and great craftsmanship for many years to come. So please continue to support us as you supported Tim and as we support Greene County by taking good care of folks. You can find us 21 East Main Street, right downtown Xenia at all times, but also on the internet, xeniashoe.com. Send us an email through that website or give us a call. Phone number is 937-376-8156.